we went to the oldest surviving tropical rainforest in the entire world. It's even older than the Amazon rainforest. It's like finding a living fossil, one that is about 180 million years old to be exact. With the only way into this rainforest is by boat across the Daintree River that is infested with crocodiles. It's home to ancient plants, the southern cassowary, Kuku-Jalanji people, and so much more. It's the only place on Earth where two World Heritage Sites meet. The old Daintree Rainforest meets the Great Barrier Reef. And we were lucky enough to take a tour into the enchanting world of the Daintree Rainforest. And what we saw was pretty magical. Yeah.
So this is Port Douglas. Morning guys, so as you can see we've just arrived in Port Douglas. We haven't had the opportunity to speak to the camera today. Cam's over at the little pit stop. We've just stopped for teas, coffees, cakes before we go into the rainforest and that. I think because it's such a long way to get here, I think we've been driving for like just over an hour. It hasn't felt like an hour though because we've already made some friends from Australia, and the guy who's on the mic, Kurt, he's a lovely guy and he's funny as well. More people die from coconuts per year than sharks. So he's like, you should have a fear of coconut trees and not sharks. So that's just one of the examples of what he's been coming out with. So yeah, we're gonna go back and get some tea, coffee, cakes now, and then we go off to the rainforest, I believe, which is the oldest.
Territory, so to speak. And when the female cruises through and she thinks he's done a good job, she'll mate with him. Yeah. What's up? What's up? What's up? There you go. I'm on the boat. You're the boat. Hi. You know how to find a virgin not full swearing? Yeah. 180 million years old. The oldest rainforest in the world is 40 million years older than the Amazon. How did they know Malaysia was the oldest?
This is the poisonous fruit that the cows have. The cows got sick, and that's how they found out there was an 80 million year old tree.
When you do your videos up on your stories and social medias later, you know what song? Don't you run the trees before we get there. Everyone get your cameras ready, get cameras ready.
Dinosaur. Where'd it go?
That big scary ugly bird. Oh, hello. Yeah, what up, dog?
Oh.
Hey, chill. Like see the brown feathers?
I don't know. Maybe.
It just went out. It went quick.
That gives
See
me
that
the
little bundle of brown feathers? That's literally two little babies that have obviously been really their own.
This is the fruit they eat.
Oh no, there's another one there. Look on the road. Yeah. That's really hard to drive.
There they are. They both bolted over here. Hey boys, what up, dog? Yo, turn around and look at us. Yo, turn around and look at us. Slow process.
Bye bye, dinosaur.
Alright.
Eat.
That says there.
There we go, for walking through. Going to the swimming hole.
Right at the bottom.
Yeah, your butterfree tree. So one of the other cousins was here. We timed it like like, talk to each other. Fruit bats, one of our mega bats here in Australia. You'll see them all over Australia, but very rarely you see them huddling up and having.
Yeah, mega bats.
Yeah, one of our mega bats. Because they don't have hands to hang on to.
People birds or people play.
Oh, it's a very good point. I shall learn more about bats. Pop it in your teeth, or at least you lick it, it's up to you. So don't pop the green bit until we grab the head. That's it. Careful. Don't want to pop it. Now give it a lick or a bite.
Lick the bum.
You want to try one?
Lick it, bro. You didn't lick it.
Head. And a bite the bum.
What, the head at the top?
Yep. So that little bit there, that's it. And bite down on the other bit. You got this.
Did you get it? What? You can't do it.
That's like a sour apple or a citrus. You guys had
No, good thing.
tonics like this.
Oh, you got it for seconds.
Remember guys, the rainforest is also a
Want the crocodile raft.
Right, let's go.
Snake.
Judging on its thickness, probably about 4 meters, 4.5.
Where is it now? Can you see it through the tree?
How we going? Everyone set? Yep. Good.
Big girl. Dusty.
Oh, we've got movement.
No, don't copy. Water's edge predators or ambush predators. So best advice we can give anyone is to stay right back from that water's edge.
Nice.
The eyes are opened and the face.
Within 10 metres of the water's edge, you can feel the micro vibrations from your footsteps and start lining you up. If you scale that down to 5 metres, that's when the big ones can start leaving the water, but usually they wait for you to get right down on top of them. But in most human fatalities, you're looking at half a tonne of crocodiles, so at least 500 kilo of croc. So you can buy half a tonne of croc at that speed with 1.5 tonne per square inch of jaw pressure. It's like getting hit by a car with teeth. It won't let you go and you won't get any sympathy up here. As far as we're all concerned when it comes to human fatalities,
He said Big Terry was about and keep on to the boat and this is Big Terry. He is one of them.
but yeah, while he's down, during the mating season, while he's down one end of his territory, you got Lumpy coming around the corner and cutting grass, and then you got Uncle Chop Chop coming around the next corner up to Lumpy's girls. So it's a constant back and forth. It's all about women and real estate. The bigger you are, more real estate you got, the more real estate you got, the more girls you got. The more girls you got, more headaches you got. Like if Scarface bumps into Lumpy, they'll start bluing and they can go for like 8 hours a day. It's like watching 2 old blokes get in the pub, getting stuck into it, a lot of shaping up, a lot of dancing around. So while they're messing around doing that, Benny's just like boom, 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 boom. I've seen him nail about 15 females in an 8-hour shift while the big boys were still punching on. That's when I named him Backdoor Benny. Alright, so we'll keep moving.
So on our crocodile cruise, we had Chris, as we call him, and also he got wine and obviously he's got the wine. What wine is it?
Sauvignon Blanc.
Sauvignon Blanc. Lovely.
There's another snake there. Look, ready?
It's a green tree snake, non-venomous, doesn't constrict, just latches on, walks its teeth over its prey live. So unless you're a tree frog.
2.5 meter.
Her name's Bruce. I thought it was a male.
Might be a
That goes
transgender
with
one.
Dinner again, Mark? I'm hungry yet, but might be 700 kilos.
He's 5 meters long.
Crocodiles have indeterminate growth. The longer they live, the longer they get.
Longer they live,
Growth
the longer
rate
they
never
get.
stops, just slows.
Wow. They always grow. I bet you boys wish that was the
No,
thing.
I'm nothing.
Hey?
Oh my god, he just said he's seen him smash cows
Yeah,
like
walk down to drink the salty water, they like it, it's like a salt lick.
Oh, you would win a tiger or
You can't see it on the boat ramp, it's longer than the boat.
yeah, with your brain.